Okay, here we have cabin 8203. This is a category 8C balcony on Carnival Conquest, which happened to have been our cabin this particular cruise. As you come into the balcony, into the cabin there, you see the first look. You've got a sofa right there. And there is your bed. Some USB ports there by the side of the bed. That's nice to have. You'll see there by the side of the bed you have a little night lamp with some USB ports as well. And there is your balcony. Decent size. Looking back from the other way into the room. Get a big mirror on the left there. Underneath here you've got some more storage space. And here will be your fridge. You see the little stool underneath the desk there for you to sit on if you're working. There's your power outlets, typically one European, one American in these cabins. Oh look, there's a red stripe, that's how you know it's my cabin. A couple of drawers here for you. Will this one have the hairdryer? Yes, there's a hairdryer. Some more storage space there. And then here are your cupboards. One there and one there. There's your hanging one. And a third one. There's your life jackets. All hanging. And here is the bathroom. Cruise ship green, I call it. There's your thermostat. So there you go. That's where the cabin is. You see at the front right, circled in yellow. And that is what is in the cabin. So again, that's cabin 8203 on Carnival Conquest. Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also you'll see to the left and right of me there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.